Good morning. Um, this morning I have a project here that is about this circuit you see in front of you. It is well, I guess you could call it a low voltage cutoff circuit. The purpose of it is for power tools, mostly anything that runs on 18-volt batteries. And what it is supposed to do is that when hooked up to some device that runs off of 18 volts, when the battery gets down to 18 volts, this device would shut the voltage off, or turn off the voltage to the device, and it wouldn't turn it back on again until the voltage went back up above about 20 volts. It's a pretty simple circuit. It uses an LM358N. It uses a P-channel MOSFET and two pots. One of them is what controls the voltage that it turns on and off, and the other one controls the spread of that voltage, or the hysteresis. This circuit currently has about just under half a volt of hysteresis you can adjust, so you can have it turn off at 18 volts, turn back on again at 20, or almost 20.5 volts. If you change some of the resistor values in here, you can bump that down to 1.5 volts. And so I'm just going to demonstrate it here. Let's get this pointed at my power supply. So, as you can see, we got a power supply, and the power supply is set to 21 volts. And you can see that the voltmeter I have hooked up to this is showing 21 volts. And just a little over 21.79. So, when I adjust the voltage, and let's see if I can do this here without getting in the way. I guess that'll work. We'll do it down to 20 volts, 20.8 volts, and then we're going to drop it in increments of 1/10 of a volt, and then when we get to about 18 volts, actually we need to go a little faster here. And you can see at 18.05 volts it turned off the voltage coming out of the MOSFET. So then we will go back up. And you can see it 20.2 volts or thereabouts. It turned back on. So back down to here. And why am I making this? And well, first off, I didn't want to make anything. I just wanted to buy something. Occasionally I come across old tools, and I would like to be able to power them with batteries, but a lot of times the battery packs I might have or I might build don't have low voltage protection or low voltage cutoff, and this would be a simple way of providing that. And there are companies that make devices like this. They're for RC cars. The idea is that you put one of these in line with the battery and you can race around, and then if your battery voltage gets low, it just cuts the voltage to the battery and the car stops. This is this protects the battery, and it's generally not very expensive. The weird thing is these are made for LiPo cell powered RC cars, and they make them for 1 cell, 2 cell, 3 cell, 4 cell, 6 cell, 7, 8. I'm not sure how high up they go, but oddly they do not make any for 5 cell batteries. 5 cell batteries exist, they're used, but for some weird reason they skip that. There is a company that makes ones that would work. They're mostly apparently to be put in line with inverters, which most inverters have a low voltage cutoff, but the problem with the ones are that they're kind of overkill, they're huge, and they're extremely expensive. I think the cheapest one I could find was $100. And so my plan is that once I get this design working and I've got it in easy EDA, I'll have JLC PCB make some circuits, and I can build myself a bunch of these and use them whenever I want. I plan on probably building 10 of them. And anyways, this is basically part 1 of that. When I get the design completed and ready for circuit boards, I may do another video, or I may do a mock-up of this that can handle the amperage load and then do a video. We'll see how that goes. Anyways, later.